Do you own a cleaning business and are tired of trying to generate good, quality, consistent leads that convert into paying customers? Let's face it, without a constant flow of leads, sales will be extremely hard to come by. No leads equals no sales equals no customers. And without a flow of new customers, it's only a matter of time before you close your business. You need leads and lots of them. But finding these leads is even harder and the competition is fierce. Unless you have a huge marketing budget, you're going to have to get creative. So what you need is a system, a proven system, something that is easy to implement that gets customers coming to you. Nobody wants to run around every day banging on doors or cold calling to generate leads. Here at the Ultimate Cleaning Business, we can show you how to set up this system in less than 10 minutes, free of charge. Doesn't matter where you're located or what type of cleaning services you provide. We already have hundreds of members worldwide who have implemented our training and achieved incredible success. So join us. Simply click the link in the description of this video and register for free. Our training is easy to follow. Just do what we do. Sign up now.